Hello guys, this is Diane Hogarth here. If you'd like more people to see an important event that you're going to, this is how you do it. Okay, so Gavin Mountford is starting his 6-step social media school tonight. So what I'm going to do is I've gone to the event and I've clicked going. Okay, then you click share and you can invite friends. So I'm only going to invite friends that will be interested. So let's click Rainy Days, Claire Wood and Kenny. So if we do 10, Nicola, Chris, Adele. See, a lot of these are not marketers. So let's stop there. So if you only do a few at a time, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, send invitations, okay? You can also ask people in private messages, but if you do 10 at a time, it's manageable, okay? Another way of sharing an event is you can share as a post. So now you can share on your timeline here, which I've already done. So I'm going to share it in a group next. And I'm going to put Kings and Queens of Teaser posts. That's my group. So as I know all the people in here personally, hey guys, don't miss this event to get more leads and sales for your business. You can make up anything, but don't put the same message more than twice because you'll get into Facebook jail. Hey guys, don't miss this event to get more leads and sales for your business, and I'll put be there or be square. Okay, so this is a really powerful way of getting more people to an important event. So if your upline is doing an event like this, that's open to everybody, you can invite them to that. So I'm going to share it to one of my pages as well, just to show you what else you can do. Share on a page. Let's see. I would like to share it on Millionaire One. Don't miss this if you want to grow your business. There. So that's 3 simple ways of getting more people to an important event that you're going to. Thanks for watching.